Did you know there are two quick hacks to calculate fractions of amounts? In this video, we explore two quick hacks to calculate fractions of amounts, and then we'll practice together through three levels: easy, medium, and hard. Hi, I'm Miss Sun from GrowMathEasy. After being as head of math, I've spent over 18 years teaching math. I love turning tricky concepts into quick, easy hacks. Today, let's make fractions simple and fun. Let's start with quick hack 1. The rule is simple. Total divided by the bottom number, then multiplied by the top number. Let's see how quick hack 1 works when we calculate fractions of amounts. What is 3/4 of 8? The bottom number is called the denominator. It tells us how many equal parts the total is divided into. In this case, the total is divided into 4 equal parts. Each group has 8 divided by 4, that is 2 items. The top number is the numerator. It tells us how many of those parts we have. We now have 3 parts. So we take 3 groups of 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So 3/4 of 8 is 6. Easy. And that's quick hack 1. Take the total divided by the bottom number to find how many items are in each equal group. Then multiply by the top number to find the total items in the groups we have. That's how we find our fractions of an amount. Quick and easy. Let's try another one. What is 2/3 of 12? We divide 12 by 3, then multiply by 2. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 2/3 of 12 equals 8. One more. What is 1/6 of 30? We divide the total 30 by 6 to see how many items are in each equal group. Then multiply by 1 to find the total items in the groups we have. In this example, we just have one group. 30 divided by 6 is 5, and 5 times 1 is 5. So 1/6 of 30 equals 5. See? Quick hack 1 is just simple, clear, and always works. Now let's explore quick hack 2. It's the multiplications of fractions method. Here's how it works. To find the fractions of a number, you simply multiply the total number by the fraction. We can write 3/4 of 8 as 3/4 times 8. We change 8 into 8/1 to make multiplying fractions easier. Here's a helpful tip. Try to simplify before multiplying. In this example, 4 and 8 can both be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then multiply the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. 6/1 is 6, so 3/4 of 8 is 6. Exactly the same answer as before.
Why do we simplify before multiplying?
It's often helpful to simplify before multiplying. When we make the numbers smaller first, it's much easier than multiplying first and dividing later. It's one of my favorite fractions hacks. Let's find 2/3 of 18. That's the same as 2/3 times 18. We change 18 into 18/1 to make multiplying fractions easier. It is often helpful to simplify before multiplying. In this example, 3 and 18 can both be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. Then multiply the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. 2/3 of 18 is 12. Both hacks give the same answer. It's up to you which one you like more. Now, it's time to practice. We'll go through 3 levels. If you would like extra practice, I've made a 2-page worksheet with answers. It's got 3 levels. Level 1 easy, Level 2 medium, Level 3 hard. In this video, I will walk you through some examples from the worksheets. The link is in the description, so you can download it or pause the video anytime to practice on your own. Ready? Let's start. Question 1. Let's find 3/8 of 16. We use quick hack 1, total divided by the bottom number, then multiply by the top number. To find 3/8 of 16, we divide 16 by 8 to find the number of items in each equal group. Then multiply by 3 to find the total in 3 groups. So 16 divided by 8 is 2. Then 2 times 3 is 6. Therefore, 3/8 of 16 is 6. Let's check with quick hack 2 using multiplications of fractions. 3/8 of 16 means 3/8 times 16. Always try to simplify before you multiply. It makes things much easier. 8 and 16 can both divide by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Now multiply the top numbers and the bottom numbers. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. So 6 over 1 is 6. It's the same result as quick hack 1. Perfect. Question 2. What is 2/5 of 40? Let's start with quick hack 1. To find 2/5 of 40, we divide the total 40 by the bottom number 5. Then we multiply by the top number 2. So 40 divided by 5 is 8. And 8 times 2 gives us 16. So that means 2/5 of 40 is 16. Now let's check with quick hack 2 using multiplications of fractions. 2/5 of 40 means 2/5 times 40. We can simplify before multiplying. 5 and 40 can both divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 40 divided by 5 is 8. Now multiply the top numbers and the bottom numbers. 2 times 8 is 16. And 1 times 1 is 1. So 16 over 1 is 16. Same result as quick hack 1. See? No matter which quick hack you use, you will always get the same answer. Just pick your favorite one, the one that feels easiest for you. Okay, moving up. Level 2, medium questions. If this video is helping you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means so much, and it really helps me keep making more fun and easy math videos just for you. Question 3. 2 over what number of 12 is 8? Let's figure it out together. First, look at the top number. The numerator is 2. That means we have 2 equal groups of items. We know that 2 equal groups together make 8. So each group has 8 divided by 2. That's 4. Now, the whole amount is 12. How many groups of 4 make 12? Let's use divisions to find out. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So there are 3 equal groups in total. That means 2/3 of 12 is 8. Or if you like using just one expression to work it out, you can use brackets to help. Remember, we always work out the part inside the brackets first. So we divide 8 by 2. That gives us the number of items in each equal group. Then we divide 12 by that number to see how many groups we need to make 12. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Therefore, 2/3 of 12 is 8. And look, both methods give you the same answer. This one's pretty tricky, right? But you did it. Nice work. Let's look at question 4. How many knives of 27 is 12? If you'd like to try it yourself, pause the video now. Alright, Let's work it out together. First, look at the bottom number, the denominator, 9, and the total number, 27. That means 27 is divided into 9 equal groups. Each group has 27 divided by 9. That's 3. Next, we need to think how many groups of 3 make 12. We can use division to find out. 12 divided by 3 is 4. That tells us there are 4 equal groups to make 12 items. So 4 knives of 27 is 12. Or if you like using just one expression to work it out, you can use brackets to help again. First, we divide 27 by 9. Then we divide 12 by that number. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. Therefore, 4 knives of 27 is 12. Both methods give you the same answer. Fantastic! You have mastered level 2. That's amazing. Now get ready for level 3. It's time for some word problems. Question 5. Sarah has 16 cubes. 3/8 of the cubes are green, 1/8 of the cubes are yellow, and the rest are red. How many red cubes are there? Let's solve it together. First, let's look at the denominator, 8, and the total number, 16. That means 16 is divided into 8 equal groups. Each group has 16 divided by 8. That's 2. Next, the numerator is 3. That means 3 groups out of 8 are green, and 1 group is yellow. So the remaining 4 groups must be red. To find how many groups that is, we multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. So there are 8 red cubes. Or, if you like, you can do it in one expression. Divide 16 by 8, then multiply by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. See? Same answer either way. Awesome job on question 5. You're really getting good at these fraction word problems. Let's move on to question 6. This one is a little different, but don't worry, we'll solve it step by step. A box contains some marbles. 2/7 of the marbles are taken out, leaving 150 marbles. How many marbles were there at the start? If you want to try it yourself, pause the video now. Alright, let's look at the denominator, 7. That tells us the total marbles are divided into 7 equal groups, and 2 out of the 7 groups are taken out. The remaining 5 groups add up to 150, so each group has 150 divided by 5, that's 30. Now, there are 7 groups in total, so we multiply 30 by 7 equals 210. That means there were 210 marbles at the start. Or, if you like, you can do it in one simple expression, 150 divided by 5, then multiply by 7. We've got the answer, 210. Either way, you get the same answer. See? Step by step makes tricky word problems easy. Let's review what we have learned today. There are 2 quick hacks to find fractions of amounts. Quick hack 1. Divide the total by the bottom number, then multiply by the top number. For example, 2/3 of 12 equal 12 divided by 3, then multiply by 2, which equals 8. Quick hack 2. Use multiplications of fractions. For example, 3/4 of 8 means 3/4 times 8. Here's a useful tip. Always simplify before multiplying. It makes the calculation so much faster and easier. So 4 and 8 can both divide by 4. And when we multiply the top numbers and bottom numbers, we get 6. And that's it. You have just mastered fractions of amounts. If you find this hack helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to GrowMathEasy, and share it with a friend who's learning fractions too. Keep practicing, keep growing, and I will see you in the next one.